So if we're trying to remove a audio input or output device from your MacBook, and if you go to the Windows MIDI setting, and you can see that there is no option to remove them. I mean, the minus button is disabled. In this case, how you can remove these audio devices, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, just go to your Finder or just press Command spacebar from your keyboard, and then you need to write this address, library slash audio. So it will take you to a folder where you can search for your audio devices. You can see this option, audio library. It's the library slash audio in this folder. So we just open this folder. From here you just need to go to plugins. So in my case, as you can see, I have different kind of MIDI devices here. So you can see this is the caster and also caster studio mix one. So I want to remove mainly these two from here. So what I need to do, I need to search here the same folder right here. So you just need to go here, firstly come to this audio folder, then go to plugins. From here go to HAL, this one. Now you can see there is two driver we have. This one is caster and one is caster streaming mix. So as you can see, this is the caster driver. So I'm just going to click here and go to move to drive. Just go to give my password. Now again, I'm just going to also want to remove this one. So just going to right click on this, move to just for. So I remove this both of these two. Now I'm just going to keep it as it like, and now I'm going to restart my PC, and let me show you once I restart the PC what happened to this device. So now I have restarted my PC, and if I go to the audio input and output settings, you can see that the audio devices that I just removed is not available right here. So in this way, you can completely remove those output and input method from your MacBook. So I hope this video help, and if this solve your problem, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.